I call this the Sherwood Forest of the bike trail in Rillito. It's got lots of trees. Eventually they'll be really big. It's about 7 miles to the Mexican La Vida, whatever it's called, Mexican place over at Campbell and River, just in the Trader Joe's Center. But nice day. It's in the high 80s, or early 90s, low 90s should say. Not much going on for water right now. Tips on taking video: don't jerk around and don't pan fast. Makes everybody dizzy and blurry. Anyway, it's nice pavement, sometimes better than the roads in Tucson. They take better care of the bike trails than they do the roads. Sadly, they should take care of both of them with the high taxes in Pima County. But they misspend. Alright, take care, good ride today.